welcome to my channel. So I haven't posted in a while because I have moved across Mexico and it's completely just thrown me off, and I've been enjoying the beach a lot. But I did finish one project and that is my friend's bikini. If you've watched my previous videos, you know I started this a long time ago. Sadly, I didn't finish it when I was with her, so I'm gonna have to try find a post office and send it. She's still in Mexico till next month, so I'm gonna do that. And then I also started my own, which lovely color, and I'm on the other cup right now. I am gonna try finish this today. I think that's gonna be my plan. And I also have this one, which has been on in one of in my whips for a while, which I also have the other one started, and some of the yarn up here. But I hate changing colors and weaving in ends, so I've really been avoiding it. Also, I have a new pattern coming, and it's going to be a wrap skirt with my sunrise pattern, but different. I'm on the beach, so I'm making a lot of beach stuff. And that is it. I did just want to update you super quick. I've also gained hundreds of more subscribers in the past like couple weeks, which is insane. I never thought I would reach my 1k goal by the end of the year because I haven't been consistent, so that's really exciting. So this is me coming in here, and I'm gonna be way more consistent with everything now. I did bring all my yarn. I don't have everything, and I still need to find a yarn store, so that's also quite stressful for me. But I think my priorities right now is the blue bikini and finishing off my pattern, and that is it. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to follow along with all my the doggy, if you'd like to follow along with my little like Mexican adventures my little Mexican adventures, then please like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.